Hey everybody, welcome to Roasting with Cup of Coffee, where you get a front row seat to watch us develop a new roast profile. Today we're going to be roasting Mexican Chiapas, and we're going to try to achieve a medium roast, okay? This is a very complicated process since we're using a drum roaster, so we're going to get started. First thing we want to do is preheat our drum as to make sure that we get an even roast on our beans. Very important step in the process. I learned it the hard way, but it was a good lesson learned. Okay, now that we've got our roaster heated up to about 400 degrees, we're gonna go ahead and pull the drum and load our beans. We want to keep the drum closed, the grill closed, so we can retain that heat that we've developed. As you can see, I'm wearing heat-resistant gloves because this gets very hot, folks. And the last thing we want to do is burn ourselves. Now, we want to try to load these beans as quick as possible and get them back on the grill so that our drum doesn't cool down. And again, as you can see, this is another part of a Now what we want to do is we want to use our temperature gun, and we want to make sure that the heat is spread across the drum evenly. So because we got 4 burners, we're going to hit it 4 times. So over here we've got 400, 397. Over here we've got 400, 399. 375 and 360. So you want to bring it up just a little bit on this side. As you can see, the tape is removing off the beans. So we're at about a minute and a half after second crack. And as you can see, like I said, this is not a Probat roaster, so we're not going to be able to dip a little spoon in there and take a look at the beans. You got to use our sense of smell, touch, sound, and the other ones. So let's see how this bad boy came out. You guys ready? Oh! Okay, good folks out there in Coffee Land. So we were able to achieve first crack at about 7.5 minutes. Keep in mind we're roasting a ½ pound, so we're gonna achieve that first crack a little bit faster. We were able to achieve that in 7.5 minutes. Then I gave it about another 1.5 minutes to develop the flavors. I ramped up the temperature by about 25 degrees just so we can get that caramelization process going, okay?